Welcome. Today we'll learn how to simplify the expression square root of 28 plus square root of 63. To simplify this expression, we'll break it down into steps. First, let's find the largest perfect square factor of each number under the square root. For 28 and 63, we'll find their prime factorizations. For 28, we can see it factors into 4 times 7, and 4 further factors into 2 times 2. For 63, we can see it factors into 9 times 7 and 9 factors into 3 times 3. Now, we can rewrite our expression using these factorizations. Square root of 28 becomes square root of 4 times 7, and square root of 63 becomes square root of 9 times 7. Using the property of square roots that states the square root of a product equals the product of the square roots, we can split these up. This gives us square root of 4 times square root of 7 plus square root of 9 times square root of 7. Now we know that square root of 4 equals 2 and square root of 9 equals 3. Let's substitute these values. Finally, we can combine like terms. 2 square root of 7 plus 3 square root of 7 equals 5 square root of 7. And there we have it. We've simplified square root of 28 plus square root of 63 to 5 square root of 7.